Warning, why is the traction rope broken again? This time, you are cheap. He had to undo the safety buckle to pick up the wrench that had drifted away. The wind that missed you finally blew to wrench and you look closely. This is not a planet at your feet. It was clearly a bird egg that was spinning wildly in the universe, but you didn't have time to think about it. Attractive force has grabbed your ankle. It dragged you down. You plunged headfirst into a thin halo. Yes, you heard me right. A dwarf planet actually has its own heart ring. 2017. Astronomers confirmed this scene through occultation observations. Haumea became the first dwarf planet in the solar system to be confirmed to have rings. You reach for a handful of crushed ice as a souvenir. That piece of ice flies past your helmet at a few kilometers per second. I almost took off half of your mask. Bang!
You are heavy.
It hit the ground hard. So far, the listing has come. Drink a sip of milk tea first. Do you think you've finally settled down? You are wrong again. It's not a rock at all. It's a shiny, reflective layer of pure water ice. The albedo is above 0.7. It is one of the whitest and brightest celestial bodies in the solar system. To put it bluntly, this is a big ice mirror in the universe. The temperature here is as low as minus 240 degrees Celsius, more than 10 degrees colder than Pluto. You were trying to hold yourself up. The whole world suddenly began to spin wildly. This damn place rotates in less than 4 hours. It is the fastest known large celestial body. It is this crazy centrifugal force. Shake it from a round ball into a slender football. When it was first discovered in 2004, scientists almost thought the telescope was broken. There's no such virtue as a planet leader. You were trying to steady yourself. Two small black shadows flew past in the sky. It's the two satellites, Haumea and Haumea. The name is taken from Hawaiian mythology, the two daughters of God. They circled the egg unhurriedly. It feels like I'm watching you, an uninvited guest. You try to take a step forward. As a result, it directly flew into the air. The gravity here is only 1/1/5 that of Earth. You are as light as a feather, but you haven't been happy for 2 seconds. Centrifugal force just flings you flying. Roll a few kilometers sideways. Crash into another ice dot. Up. The ice shattered to the ground, and you didn't hit a bone. Even more outrageous is yet to come. You look up at the sky. The sun is as small as a sesame seed. On this bird's egg, there are less than 4 hours in a day. You just squint it. The sun rises again. Oxygen bottomed out. The alarm went off. You touched your waist. The thrusters had already shattered on impact. You can't go back. You just slumped on that ice mirror, looking at the halo above his head slowly passing by. Watching the two small satellites patrolling unhurriedly. Watching the sesame-sized sun jump out of the horizon again and again. This crazy, swirling egg, it has become your final destination. Maybe people are like this all their lives. You think you're chasing the wrench that floats away? In fact, the universe is quietly sending you to the distant place he has already written.